How's it, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to reset your maintenance light on your Mercedes Benz C300. Alright, the first thing you want to do is turn your key into position 1. Make sure the mileage is showing, otherwise it won't work. Now in front of your steering wheel, you'll see a call button and an OK button. So what you're going to do is press it at the same time. Once you press those two buttons at the same time, you'll see a display information in front of you. Now what you want to do is scroll down to Assist Plus, then press OK. Scroll down to Full Service, press OK. Now scroll down to Confirm Full Service, then press OK. Scroll down to Yes, then press OK. From there, scroll down to Confirm, then press OK. Alright you guys, so that's how you reset your maintenance lights on your Mercedes Benz C300. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.